Started with the coding portion of our resizing vector now, and what we'll do here is close this down so that there's no interference, and let's just started with this. So let's include the basic files, and by the way I'm using C++ here, and the way I'm using it is in Sublime Text using the Linux terminal on Manjaro. So if you want to set up a similar ID or something, or you want to set up a similar environment, do let me know in the comments. So we'll be starting by creating this class right now known as my vector, and it's gonna have so let's talk about our class. So what did we do when we were full? We created a new array of double the size pointing at the same point. So we need these three variables. It's going to be an int star array, an int size, and int point, right? So an int point, right? And once we're done, let's just go public on the rest of the stuff. So let's just create the constructor here. And if you're unsure of what these terms are, what a constructor is, or what a point is, or any of these terms, you can go ahead and watch my other playlist regarding C++. So let's just go ahead and code this one out. Let's just say we initialize it by a size of 2, and point will initially be 0 since there are no elements inside. And let's just create the basic functions that we'll need. So int get size or something, or let's call it int length, is gonna be returning point. And let's just go ahead and also code the at function. So what it's gonna do, give me the value at I, and if I is greater than or equal to point, we know that that value doesn't exist, so we'll just return -1 for now, or we could go negative. So let's go into min. That's a very unlikely value to be present in an array. And let's just go for else. Let's just return what will be returning array of I. That's all. And let's just do a pushback function as well. So void pushback, and that is the most important function that we'll be needing here. So that utilizes our expand functionality. So what we're gonna do is there can be two cases. One of the cases can be point has reached size, which is a problem. We don't have any space to keep anything right now. And if that is not the case, what we are doing is array of point plus plus is actually equal to value, which is cool enough for now. And if this is the case, we need to expand our array. And what is the expansion step? How do we expand it? First of all, let's not expose it to the user. We don't want the user to be doing anything related to the memory ever. This is known as abstraction, and this is covered in the C++ series as well. So let's just go ahead and code the expand part. So well, right now point is equal to size. Let's just create a new array, right? And that array is twice the size. So let's create twice the size, and move the old elements in. Move the old elements in like that. And once that's done, we'll be deleting the array, and that's an important step that all of them, yes, all of them forget, and that's the largest problem. Well, let's go ahead, and size is actually equal to size times 2, array is equal to temp, and before that we need to delete it. So let's just say int star to delete is a special pointer that's just created for deletion. So it's going to take array, and array is now temp, and to delete is to be deleted. So delete array to del. I think this does the stuff that we need, and since that's done, I think this is all. And let's just put cout expand to say that an expansion has happened, and I think that's it. Let's create a my vector right now. Let's call it v, and v dot pushback 1, v dot pushback 2, and let's just see out v dot size or length right now, and l, and see out, and let's just v dot pushback 3, and see out v dot length right now. And once that's done, let's just print out all the elements inside so that all our elements are checked. This is known as unit testing. We are testing all the functions one by one, unit testing. So cout v dot at I and l, or let's just put a space here, and cout and l. Say this. Let's open this inside of our terminal right now. So let's just go g++, what's this called, resizing vector cpp. Okay, well, dot slash a dot out. Okay, to expand 3. Okay,